So now that everything has been stitched on the hoop, I'm gonna go and do a running stitch around the border of the fabric. I just split one of the leftover strings from the kit, so I'm using 3 strands here, and I just go up and down through the fabric, and I kind of space the stitches about the same distance apart. I think you could probably say it's about a centimeter or maybe a quarter of an inch, and I just go all the way around. I like to pull it tight as I go around. Some people wait until the very end, but this is just how I prefer to do it. And it doesn't have to be exact, but I like to make them decently close together so that there's not any big gaping parts of the hoop. So I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit because it's basically the same thing over and over again. But when we get to the very end, I'll give my little final instruction. Alright, so now we're back to where we're started, and I'm just gonna tie it. I secured the tie with one of my other stitches, and I'm just pulling as tight as I can, making sure that the string isn't loose. And when I feel like it's secure, I'll just trim the end of that string, and that's it. The hoop is finished, and it's time to hang it up on your wall and enjoy it. And I did remove the fuzz, but that's in another video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.